Hi guys, nice to meet you again on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get profits with the cryptocurrency and how to holding the meme coins while the crypto is down. Today I'm show you one meme coin and you should check it out by yourself about this meme coin. Yeah, Simpson. Simpson is the new meme coin and now it's listing on the Smexy. And for me, I'm saying that it's the first time for you. Yeah, this is good because the Smexy now listing Simpson and it's not yet listing on the Get.io or Binance. Now this is the opportunity. If after you buying and holding in the Mexi and then 1 month or 2 months later Simpson can listing on the Get.io, yeah, you will get the big profit easy with this meme coin. Today I'm show you on the Mexi exchange. Right now Simpson right now is very slow, right? Yeah, you can buy a little bit your capital around the $1 and $2 and holding on the Mexi. Yeah, you will get a lot of I example that now the Simpson, yeah, it 11.0, yeah, multiplies with the, yeah, if you buy $1 today and yeah with the 0.110, yeah, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 6. Yeah, you can get 160 billion. Yeah, you can get 160 billion. And if you holding and after the Simpson is listing on the Get.io or the others exchange, it will increase price from the 1,000% or 10,000%. Multiplies with the 0.80, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, and 5 example. So you can get the big profit, yeah, $833, and you pay a lot of you pay a little your money, only $1, and holding around the 1 or 2 or 3 months after it holding, yeah, after you holding on the Mexi and the Simpsons can listing on the Get.io or Binance. Yeah, this is the big opportunity for you. And now you can see here on the Simpson, yeah, list exchange, there's Bitmart, Mexi, Poloniex, yeah, Bitlazy and TX.com, Albank and Snova. It's not yet listing on the Get.io or Binance. Yeah, it has a lot of exchange. It will listing, and why I recommend you should check it out with this project, because you can see here, yeah, if you buy the first times with the Simpsons right now you can earn 2,300% it already. That means if you buy $1 and now you can earn $20 it already easy, right? You just holding from the May 2023 and now 6 2023, only 1 month you can earn around 2,000% easy, right? And if you check on the, yeah, total supply, yeah, it is the total supply 423, yeah, 420 trillion. And yeah, the volume trading on the coins market cap or on the market is more than 1 million, right? And yeah, around 24 hours, and on this market more than 2 million it already. Yeah, it is a lot of money, and I'm thinking that one day this project can listing on the Get.io, so you will never see this price again. Yeah, it will list 1 or 2 0 easy after you holding from now. Yeah, I think that this is the bottom for the Simpson coin already. and you should check it out by yourself. You have done FOMO in the cryptocurrency. You have done FOMO. Before you decide investing with the cryptocurrency, you should check it all information about the cryptocurrency and don't FOMO to anyone. It's not good in the investing in crypto, but this is a big opportunity for you if you studying every day. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and follow my channel, my video, and I'm always find the best project for you and holding and with the slow price and holding upon 1 and 2 months. You will get the big profit easy. Thank you. Don't forget subscribe to my channel.